Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Dogelonmars. Japan debunks the latest in the gamut of cryptocurrency scams. Impersonation scams in the cryptocurrency industry abound, with hundreds of fake Elon Musks and Michael Saylors offering huge returns on social media to entrap the uninitiated. While in the past, many governments and the personalities themselves have issued warnings against the same, scamsters in the crypto space have shown no intention of withholding their creativity. This was recently highlighted by the Japan exchange group, JPX, which issued a warning about a new type of impersonation scam now doing the rounds. The company, which owns the Tokyo Stock Exchange and Osaka Exchange, issued an alert on its website earlier today, warning the public about companies selling crypto assets by using its name as a stamp of authorization. The warning has come after JPX was informed about an abundance of platforms online that were masquerading under the JPX brand name to trap rookie investors into trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The company further noted that those posing as subsidiaries of JPX were creating fake names, logos, and URLs that look similar to those used by JPX, such JPX, JPEX, and Japan Exchange, on both their platform and advertising campaigns. This is not even the first time when scams using prominent brands have come to the fore, as many legitimate cryptocurrency companies are also suffering from the same debacle. Recently, Hong Kong-based venture capital firm Animoca Brands issued a warning which highlighted how an ERC20 token called Animoca Brands Metaverse had registered under its name and was pretending to be affiliated with the company. Nevertheless, JPX warning has come at a time when the company is on the path to test and possibly integrate blockchain and distributed ledger technology into the traditional financial system. For instance, it recently began researching digitally tracked green bonds, which utilize security tokens. The aim of this initiative is to improve the transparency of data and efficiency of data collection through the blockchain, while also improving the operational efficiency of bond issuance through digitization. Albeit, the company is yet to offer cryptocurrency trading opportunities to Japanese investors. However, Japanese regulators overlooking the country's vast crypto trading industry might soon ease out listing rules for crypto exchanges, according to recent reports. This would reportedly allow the exchange to list a dozen coins in one go without the lengthy screening process they are currently subjected to. This could provide a further boost to exchanges in the country, which currently feature only a handful of digital tokens on their platforms. At the same time, its largest bank, MUFG Trust, is also utilizing the blockchain to provide utility tokens in the form of NFTs to its larger shareholders, where paper discount coupons were once offered. Previously, the bank had also announced support for security tokens and stablecoins issued by multiple firms on its private blockchain Progmat. That he had bought the three cryptocurrencies out of curiosity, while urging his followers not to bet their farm on crypto. Back then, Musk also denied owning Dogecoin coin Shiba Inu, which made the K9 cryptocurrency experience a temporary price drop. While the size of Musk's cryptocurrency holdings remains unknown, Tesla reported owning more than $2 billion worth of Bitcoin in early February. The leading e-car manufacturer purchased $1.5 billion in the largest cryptocurrency in early 2021. Pondering about inflation, Musk took a veiled swipe at MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor, who predicted that weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from other assets to Bitcoin will intensify. The world's richest man joked that the response of one of Permable wasn't entirely unpredictable. After the U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, spiked 7. 9% from a year ago, the highest level in more than 40 years. Musk took to Twitter to ask his followers about the probable inflation rate over the next few years. Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcus also made fun of Saylor's hyperbolic Bitcoin shilling. The centibillionaire himself recommended his followers to own physical things or stocks in those companies that produce high-quality products. The case is also increasingly tilting in Ripple's favor going by the latest rulings. Last week, presiding judge Annalisa Torres ruled to deny the SEC's motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense. The ruling opens the door for Ripple to argue that the SEC failed to warn the firm of wrongdoing before it filed a lawsuit. And second news today about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge seat boost in Ukraine as President Zelensky legalizes crypto. The Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine has officially confirmed the legalization of the crypto sector by Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin donations to the country soar past $100 million. Ukraine's Parliament Verkhovna Rada passed the law that legalized digital assets, including crypto, last month. President Zelensky has now signed the law on virtual assets, thus fulfilling the final requirement for establishing the legal status of cryptocurrencies in the country. Dogelon is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelon Mars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelon Mars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon Mars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon Mars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon Mars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278.